Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is still enjoying TikTok. I'm loving it too, and my son is enjoying it too. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you a way of changing your voice on the voice effect that are on TikTok. So you can just change your voice from a normal voice to a certain voice that you would like. So I'm going to take you step by step on that. So first of all, on your TikTok, you go to the plus sign to start up a video. Okay, so your video can be 15 seconds or 60 seconds, or it can be less just for a test. I'm gonna do a less one for a test. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. I'm gonna stop it and then just click the tick sign on the right. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And then you can click on the right the voice effect. And welcome to this channel. So as you can see below,
Hello everyone and welcome to this channel.
Chipmunk and
Hello everyone and welcome to this channel.
hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel.
So if you're satisfied,
Hello
you can
everyone
then press
and
next and post your video. If you go to me on your TikTok,
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This channel is Good Vibe. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This channel is Good Vibe. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel.
I hope
This
this was
channel
helpful.
is
If it
Good
was helpful
Vibe.
to you, please like, comment and subscribe.
Hello
you.
everyone, welcome back to this channel.